Becky, knee dropping one. So it goes, the basic thing you need to learn is promenade. So you're going to start with your knee from towards your tail, your knees pointing at the audience. This is basically what's happening. We're going to slide through to here. Ideally, once you slide through, you're in what would essentially be a croisé on the left side, side tendu. It's just that your leg's 45, okay, and then it's retiré, and then it's down to fit. Now from here, this toe's pointing at the audience. You're going to slide all the way to the opposite croisé, which means this toe points at the wing, this toe points at the corner, but it's going to be 45, and then here, and then down. So this really demands and improves turnout, okay? So we're here, we come down immediately to here. Remember, you want to go like that. You don't want to go like that, right? Then we're going to go promenade, in, down. Promenade, in, down. So we called this turn do, I think, last year at the beginning of this year, which was where we were here and we would force our heel to move closed. Okay, we're in this perfect croisé, toes pointing at the wings in the audience. Force our toe to move closed. If you search turn do, which is not the ballet term, I don't know what the ballet term is. If you search that on Heart to Toe Studios page, you should be able to find it. I can maybe look through if you remind me. But basically there's a tutorial on how to just do this. Here, it might be an extra routines for level 3 and 4, which should be at the bottom of the playlist. Anyway, it's basically just a complicated turn do, okay? So again, from lunge, 45, in, down, promenade, 45, in, down. So that's basically all that's happening. And then you go into a C-zone, which, just let me show you that, plie, one leg with plie, closed. Okay, again, here. The biggest thing with C-zone is that it's easy to lean forward, like that. Okay, you want to stay upright, like this. So as you step forward, you want to arch your back. You want to almost drag your shoulders behind you, okay? That's C-zone. Let me just show you this thing with arms. You're just going to go out, in, down, out, in, down. It is supposed to be on railway. Here, out, in, down, out, so the releve thing does make it harder and also makes it easier. It's easier to force your heel, it's easier to force your foot to turn if you're going up on releve. That's why turns are on releve, right? But it's harder because you have to pause on top of releve, which means there needs to be a really strong command of the core right here on both sides. So right here, you're rising to here, and you just have to hold long enough to bring this in and down, okay? So that would, because that's so hard, I would say take the arms out for a while, really just hold it stiff, focus on making sure you're not here. Again, you're gonna go out, hold, down, out, hold, down. This is a big ask. You're a level 3 in a level 4 class. This is a very big ask. It's okay if you need to do this exercise on flat foot, but it's going to really improve a lot of your technique if you work on those specific muscles. It's really hitting core, turnout, and balancing muscles. So it's just all around a really good exercise to lean into if you have the time to. Thanks, Becky.